Now we have just one tile, but we'd like to have the multiple tiles on top of the ground, and then according to the location of the player, the color of the tile can be changed. So for that we can make some kind of interaction tiles. Let's make a tiles multiple first. So for that I'm going to create another script, tile generator. So in this script, what we're going to do is just generating the tiles. We're not going to attach any other functions into this script. So let's delete these two lines first. And then let's declare the game object. And we want to have the columns and rows numbers. And actually we don't need update. We're only going to use the start. Inside of here, we're going to use a for loop to generate grid of columns. Tap tap. And instead of the length, we can say columns. And inside of the for loop, we're going to create another for loop for tap tap. And this time, J and rows. So we need to have position vector and rotation quaternion, right? But we're not going to create the wall, we're going to create the tile on the ground. So J should be go to the Z location and I should be on the X location. And we want to have some spacing. And then we need to have the quaternion. Let's create empty object, name as a tile generator. Reset the position, and let's attach our tile generator over here. And we need to make this tile as a prefab. Delete from the hierarchy and attach this tile to ground, tile object. But be careful, tile should contain tile behavior script over here. And I will move around the location of the main camera. If you feel like the change of the color was too fast or too slow, you also can add another numbers to change, another floats to change the numbers. Go to tile behavior, let's create two more floats, which is going to be increase number and decrease number. And then let's change number to this increase and decrease. If you go to the prefab, you can see this number has been updated. And now the speed of the color changing has been changed.